Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shy's Ride Along. Y'all already know what it is. Grind Flow Shop Flow. Grind never ends. We are on the way to the Grind Towers building. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share, guys. Don't forget about that $400 cash giveaway. I'm still giving it away. I ain't changed my mind yet. Not at all. I don't own the rights to that music you guys hear. Copyright ass shit. I always gotta play a bunch of loud music somewhere, don't they, people? Yeah, we see you. And we hear you. We know you're there. Guys, I got the other camera. See this? I got the other camera. This is the new camera. Just let you guys know, we're gonna unbox it today. When we get to the Grind Flow Shop Flow, grind never ends. Never ends. Like when you're sitting at the traffic light, you sit at these things forever. Gosh darn. I wasn't going to the Grind Flow. I'd be on Venus today. I ain't rode Venus in a while. That quick trip is packed. You see all the people over there? Damn, look at the motorcycle guys, all of them out over there. I done already seen them. I ain't even going. They're always over there, so that's nothing new. First I thought it was the shit, and then I realized, wow, they're up here every day, it seems like. Everybody got these bikes out today, though. Little do they know, it's gonna pour down raining like a month. Alright, we're gonna hit it. Grind Flow Shop Flow, Grind never ends. Come on, Dardar. Alright, we in our line. We in our lane. Let's just take a look. What that shaking is. I'm gonna get it one day. Whatever that vibration is, it's gonna stop. Just gotta catch it. There ain't no factories and houses and stuff down in there. Like over in there. A lot of times we have a tendency not to go in certain places just because. But we also have a tendency to go in places we want to know. I'm not trying to be nosy today, I'm just trying to get the book. Well, once they make it out of the bed, guys, I don't know what was going on. I just was tired. I didn't get to sleep till like 7. Man, I'm tired. All this extra stuff. Warm out today. It's really, really hot. To me, it's hot. I don't like it in this room. Guys, get down in the comments and tell me what you think about that big old pizza that I had. Gosh, I could not eat but 3 slices of that stuff, guys. You saw it? I had to box that up and take it home to the babies. Kadesh, Kadon, Hazel, Max. They ate it up. They love pizza. Of course, they love everything. They're just green molds. Those are the red lights, guys. This bypass. I don't understand why everybody was going. Hey, look at this 18. But what the hell does he think he's driving? A sports car? He's just jumping over? Man, these motherfuckers are dangerous. I swear to God, they're dangerous. Every time you get to the bypass, this right here. Why people don't know that you're gonna get off on an exit or you're gonna cross over or connect with downtown? You get the fuck over and get out of everybody's way. You don't sit back and ride it through all the lanes. All the lanes. They can take up all the lanes. Then all